guys, so I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to, I guess, define my hair. So my edges are like laying down here and I kind of don't want to fuck with it right now. So I'm going to just let it sit. I want to make sure that my little hairs right here get a little curly too, so I'm going to wet it up. So I'm using in this spray bottle that I got with this hair. This is Beaufox hair. I have water, conditioner, and a little bit of oil serum in here. And I'm just like refreshing the curls just so that I can be more curlier. I'm probably gonna fast forward everything, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get into this transformation. So I'm going to be using this Denman, I don't know the name of this. So anywho, I'm gonna brush the hair out. I haven't brushed this hair in probably like a day or two. Now brush it out. Hey, brush it out. So no lie, I had to go back and get some conditioner because I got tired of this being a little dry. Gotta make sure it ain't dry at all. So I'm just gonna scrunch the hair. This is what I do to make the hair defined. Everyone always wants to know how the curls look so defined, and I always just scrunch them. I had a video on how I laid this whole wig start to finish, but like my armpits is hairy as hell, y'all. It just shows them, and I don't have time for nobody to be coming for me talking about my armpits is hairy when I'm just trying to help y'all. I guess now I'll take this off because I already laid my edges last night, so I do want to see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks fine. I want to do a middle part. Okay, so I'm gonna look like a pinhead for a little bit, but we're gonna let it rock. We just gotta let this hair dry. And I'm gonna keep scrunching it up throughout the time because look how just thicker it gets, you know, more volume. That's what I'm looking for. I need that volume in my life. Because if there ain't no volume, I don't want it. Oh, it's too hot, and like I said, my face is clearing up, so I'm so proud of it. So try not to use foundation sometimes. I've been using BB cream, and this is the BB cream that I got from the dollar store. Now I'm gonna move on to my under eyes and my eyebrows. It's LA Colors. I got it from Five Below. I'm gonna take it and just bake. Because I don't use powder on my face, like I don't use another powder. I use this as the powder on my face, but also to be the bake for my contour, you know what I mean? Like, yeah. It looks all sculpted already and I ain't doing nothing yet. So I don't fill in my whole brows, I only do the front. And people are probably wondering why this concealer is under there. It's because you haven't watched my eyebrow routine video. I make an updated one, but this helps trace out your brows, I feel like. I'm using my e.l.f. contour palette, which is literally finished, and I only use that color because I feel like the other color is a little bit too dark. I don't use a different brush. I just use the same one because I don't make it perfect. I'm going to use some blush. And this is from Ulta Beauty, just their Ulta Beauty collection. Shout out to my mother-in-law. I take like 3 different blushes and just dab it in here. I like to put it on the apples of my cheeks and bring it back to the contour. This is the Anastasia Glow, the Sun-Kissed version. Black Girl Magic. Now, my last step, I love doing this. I take the, this one, and I use it for my beauty spots, my beauty marks, my beauty dots. So I already have one there naturally, so I kind of just put them in places I feel I want them. They end up different each day, but take my e.l.f. finishing makeup mist spray, which is literally almost done, and I'm just gonna spritz it. So now this middle part, I'm going to define it. So hey guys, this is the ending of the video. I'll do like a little spin so you can see the curls in it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Comment down below what videos you want to see. Subscribe for more videos. Let me know if you like my get ready with me. And see you guys later.